Hi everyone. We just had dinner and we ate the whole cow. Yummy food. Yeah, wala kami magawa ni Sheila. Ang mga lonely Eastern nights when I dance with you. Kakaloka, ano ba ito? Boring. Nabobored ako. Gusto ko makipag I want something. Something like something like
Ano?
Ano ba?
Something like ano?
Something like what is it? Something.
Oh.
Something long. Something huge. Oh. Long kiss and, huge hug. Daming daming afam here in here.
Buisit, wala nga na isa.
Dilim. Aswang meron. May aswang dito, feeling ko lang. O baka kami mga aswang. Ay, Diyos ko. Patugtog ka naman ng music dyan. Yung makabagbag damdaming nakakaiyak na music na...
Okay. Ito na lang.
Yung
Wait
get over
lang.
you.
Ito na nga.
Get over. Fuck you. Lakas talaga. Ang lakas mang-asar. Shit.
Lamahin mo.
Today. Akala around here I'm trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. Pagka ganun yung almost over you, parang hindi magiging almost over. Parang let's get start again. Serious. Serious yan. Oh my God, boring. You're such a sly one with your cold heart. Maybe leaving came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals all wounds, they say, and I should go, 'cause it seems like forever. Summer yung ganon. Tayo na almost over you. Parang let's start again ang drama. That's how we see so love you. You come back around to end the time you see lost over.
Alas, vlog.
Tumawag.